Google's first smartwatch. Don't miss this video if you want to buy a smartwatch. Since 2014, Wear OS has been around. In that time, Motorola, Fossil, Mobileye, Samsung, and other companies have made Android-powered wearables. But Google hasn't made a single smartwatch until now. Now, the very first Google Pixel Watch has been shown to us. The first Pixel Watch has been much to prove when it comes out with the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. The Pixel Watch is an excellent first try, but it doesn't entirely give me the perfect Wear OS experience I was hoping for. But at $350, it's not an easy sell compared to the best smartwatches from the companies like Samsung, even if it only works with Fitbit. A Fitbit. The most significant difference between the Pixel Watch and the Galaxy Watch 5 is that the Pixel Watch works with Fitbit. At its I/O developer conference in the spring, Google said the Pixel Watch would have deep integration with Fitbit. Now we know that means Fitbit runs the health and fitness features of the Pixel Watch, now a company owned by Google. Fitbit made the technology that Google Wearable uses to keep track of your daily activities, heart rate, sleep, workouts, and other health data. Fitbit's new Sense 2 and Versa 4 smartwatches also have 40 workout modes, just like the Pixel Watch. It works with Fitbit's popular active zone minutes metric, based on the heart rate, and the daily readiness score, based on recovery. It also has an ECG app that lets you check your heartbeat for signs of arterial fibrillation. What does the Pixel Watch do, and how does it work? 1. Up to 24 hours of battery life. 2. Water resistant to 5 ATM and 50 am. 3. 19 customizable watch faces. 4. Cron for scrolling. 5. Side button for accessing apps. 6. Built-in Google Assistant, hands-free. 7. Turn-by-turn directions in Google Maps. 8. Google Wallet for contactless payments. 9. GPS. 10. 32 GB of storage for music and apps. 11. Fast pair and handoff. 12. Emergency SOS. 13. Fall detection, coming in 2023. 14. 40 workout modes, Fitbit. 15. Continuous heart rate monitoring. 16. ECG app for detecting arterial fibrillation. The Pixel Watch has an OLED screen showing up to 1000 nits. It has a mode that keeps it on so you can see the time and other things at a glance. A dome-shaped piece of Gorilla Glass 5 protects it. Wear OS 3.5 comes pre-installed on the Pixel Watch. You can get apps like Strava, Spotify, MyFitnessPal, and more from the Google Play Store. It comes with 3 months of the YouTube Music Premium and 6 months of the Fitbit Premium, which gives you an in-depth analysis of your sleep, fitness, and health. You can choose from 19 different watch faces and change their colors and the information they show. You can set it to show your favorite pictures from the Google Photos if you want it. Fast pair means that once the Pixel Buds are paired with your phone, they will automatically connect to your watch. And hands-off means that you can start a call on your watch and continue it on your phone. In the same way, you can keep listening to music or getting directions from maps after you start on your phone. It doesn't have to be paired with a Pixel phone or work with the Android phones with the Android 8 or later. Google says the battery will last up to 24 hours, but it will only take 30 minutes to charge from 0 to 50%. If the battery is low, it will remind you to set it before bed so that it can track your sleep. It takes 80 minutes to charge fully. The only thing in the box is the magnetic USB-C cable. There is no charger. Only in the EU and Australia does Google offer a 2-year warranty. You only get 1 year in the United States and the United Kingdom, where it is also sold. So that's all for today's video. If you liked the video, click the like and bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.